Hello guys, this is Rishi and welcome to my another blog. So from the background, as you can see, right now I'm traveling, and most of my blogs will remain on traveling. So there's need not to getting amazed. And so guys, yes, like in the previous a couple of videos, as you can observe, like I was traveling to Kolkata to give my PSB preliminary selection board. So after getting recommendation from there, I got my dates for the FSB final selection board that is on the Noida, and which is scheduled on 9th of September, and the date of today is 6th of September, and the time of right now is like 12:30 in the very morning, and I do have my train scheduled on 1 a.m. And guys, what my actually plan is, right from the Madhupur junction I'll be traveling to the Patna junction, and from Patna I'll board the train for the Delhi, and I'll be reaching Delhi like day after tomorrow in the very early morning at like 5:30 in the very morning, and from then onwards I'll like wait for one hour around for the metro, and I'll head towards the Uttam Nagar where my friend like resides, and I'll take a halt of one day in my friend's home, and then after I'll report to the Coast Guard Center, which is supposed to be which is scheduled on reporting like on 9th of September at the very morning, like 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So we'll keep you updating of each and every step of mine right from here till getting recommendation from the FSB also. So stay tuned to get the regular updates and keep supporting. So bye bye.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
So very good morning guys, and yes, in the very morning I reached to the Patna, and right now I took a lounge. I took a stay on a lounge in a Patna, as I do have still 3 hours left to board my next train. So I took a lounge, and as you can see I do have my notebook on my lap. So I'm revising all the notes or all the writing materials that I was carrying from earlier. So this is how. So wait for the next updates. Bye bye. So a very good morning guys. So finally I reached New Delhi on the very morning, and since it is being 5 a.m. in the morning, and as you can see from my background, right now I'm heading towards the New Delhi metro station, and will head towards Uttam Nagar, which is far east on the Delhi. So it will take 1 hour to go there, and then after I'll report to my very center tomorrow. So bye bye. So hello guys, finally we reached Delhi on the very morning at 4:30 in the morning, and it is being around it is being around 6 p.m. in the evening, and we are wandering on the Kartav Path actually.
We have just reached Kartav Path and we are feeling tired.
Yes, we are not feeling tired, we are feeling fucking exhausted. Exhausted, man. So guys, from the past a couple of hours I was wandering here and there just on foot. So all exhausted. Yes. He is my friend which stays in Delhi right from his childhood. So today he took a responsibility to introduce to entire Delhi.
But we won't reveal our fight here, guys.
Yeah. Yes, guys, we had a small fight over call. So we take this particular route to resolve it.
We will tell you some other day.
Yeah, I'll disclose our fight like another day, and I also from the earlier I was prepared for this particular fight, so I carry some sort of like injurious weapon on my back. So he has
brought some injurious weapons to harm me.
Yeah.
if I get dead somewhere, remember the face.
No guys, I'm all handy. You can see both my hands.
Guys, I'm carrying a bag. You can see.
Yeah, guys, he is carrying the bag, so it means he is carrying some sort of suspicious weapon in his bag.
That does not belong to me.
So guys, remember his face, remember the bag, remember the glass, remember the head. Oh,
remember the patta also.
Remember the patta. So guys, yes, like on a serious note, like we take a route to the Kartavya Path to resolve our issue, like, and we are wondering for a place to sit, and then after we'll have a very deep discussion actually to resolve our to resolve our very
Guys, but we won't reveal it here in the vlog.
yeah, we won't it is like it is very personal, it is very personal, so it is, we are not supposed to reveal it. And yes, if someone wants to know the actually fight, then please do comment.
Please do come here at this very spot. Right
Yeah.
at 6 p.m.
right now.
Right at 7 p.m. or 6:30 p.m.
Yeah, and participate our very $1 million discussion that we are having on the streets of Delhi. So guys,
take care.
yes, take care, keep supporting, keep subscribing.
Keep respect for this flag.
Yeah,
Guys.
this flag and this mindset, this ambition. And sure, we do have SSB scheduled on tomorrow and around 15 days later. So keep supporting the two rising stars of India. So
Thanks, guys.
So guys, hello. As you can see, as from the background, you can see the entire crowd of India Gate actually, and it is being 7 p.m. in the evening, and we are wandering here and there, like right around the India Gate, and yes, right in the front of us there is a war memorial, National War Memorial actually. So I'll show you a little later. So guys, yes, here we can see a lot of selfies is going on, just enjoying with their friends, with their relatives, with their partners, and I'm just enjoying with my friend.
Bro code first.
Yes, brother, bro code first. Girls later, girls never actually. कोई सुन तो नहीं है?
True, bhai.
Yes. So it is our bro code that pushed us to, like, that it took us over here.
We were on the brink of fighting, guys.
Yeah, at the very starting of our journey, we were about to fight. We came here with the mindset to have a fight with each other. But as soon as we start spending time with ourselves, the entire issue got resolved.
True.
So guys, in the streets of, so this is the National War Memorial, and yes, we are not supposed to enter it. And as you can see from the background, this is the entire National War Memorial of India, and we are not supposed to enter into due to some sort of fencing or security issue. So we are like getting the view from the outside. So yes. So guys, yes, from the background you can see the entire India Gate area is full of people, full of families, full of persons who came here all the way from all over the country to have the view of this particular India Gate. And yes, so guys, there is a couple of water bubbles, a sort of water bubbles that were sprayed on our face. So
We need to wash our faces now.
yes, we need to wash our faces, wash our fucking faces now. And yes, guys, we are wandering on the, like, here and there around the India Gate to have a place to sit and to
Guys,
discuss.
now we are looking for a place to sit and have some gossip.
Yes, and to discuss some importance that we forget.
To discuss India-Pakistan relation and all other geopolitical topics.
Since we do have SSB in a duration of 1 month, so guys, we need to discuss.
I believe what Russia is doing is wrong. What is your opinion?
Yeah, brother, Russia is doing absolutely wrong, because since it is not in someone's control from the last 2 fucking years.
Correct.
It is doing very wrong, man.
And basically what is like
Yes, and what is Israel
is doing is that is also homicide.
Habibi.
That hey Habibi.
Habibi tha, मेरे पास Habibi tha, अच्छा।
कोई ना हो भाई। हमें पेल देगा भाई। अब देखो डिफेंस ब्लॉक कितना अच्छा लग रहा है।
So guys, this is the entire crowd. We just messed up with the crowd of, we can say, with the crowd of India Gate.
Guys, we don't need DSLR. We have our person with DSLR.
We are carrying our personal DSLR, so we need not support of anyone.
We have a guy who has iPhone.
Yeah.
But that one person is required in every group. That is enough.
No, brother, that's not the deal. I do have, yes, it is true, I do have an iPhone, but at the same time, I'm just surviving with only one single kidney.
अबे यार,
So this is the deal, guys.
that is worth it, bhai. That is worth it.
Yes, one can survive even 80, 90 years with just only one
Just
single
only
kidney.
one kidney.
Yeah, so that's the deal, and I am also planning to buy iPhone 15.
Bro,
So guys, I do have only one single kidney left with myself.
that is not going anywhere, guys.
What I'm planning is I just will like put an artificial kidney on my body and will purchase iPhone 16 by using the natural one. So that's my planning, guys.
Guys, stay tuned, stay healthy. We will upload more vlogs soon.
Yes, and guys, what I think Israel is doing is too wrong.
Israel is doing bakchodi.
Yeah, with the Palestinians, because guys, what I think, like he
I
has,
think statehood must be given to Palestine.
yeah,
Israel is opposing that.
Yeah.
That is, Palestine should not be given a statehood, but we have already seen that West is completely agreed.
Yes.
Another political nation,
and-
European nations are also agreeing.
and a couple of countries, we can say, like European countries, were recognizing this
Even the
entire
Middle East, you can say that they are also agreeing on the
And
thing
they are-
that they should be given statehood.
and at the same time they are also realizing the Palestine as a full-fledged state. So guys,
I see Benjamin Netanyahu no less than a Hitler.
yeah, and guys, if I'll be talking about Hitler, then he is also an authoritarian, like rural, that genocide the entire fleet of Jewish all over the world. अच्छा कैमरा फोकस करता, अबे फोकस मतलब लाइट मारता ना.
अच्छा तो अपने बोल
So this is the deal, guys. And apart from it, we are also seeing the another conflict. We are also doing Yogi Adityanath is also doing good,
Guys,
guys.
now we are sitting and we are having a discussion, so we will have some gossip and
Yes, and at
World
the
War
same
II
time,
going
guys,
on.
at the same time, guys, we'll also spend a little quality time with each other together.
And no
actually,
World
and no World War. So here you can see, like families were sitting in a circle to spend their quality time over here. So we are also searching for a place to sit on, and yes, we find a place. We'll sit on the light, right next to the light, to get a very view of ourselves.
to get the beautiful view of us.
Yes, to get the very beautiful view of ourselves. So guys, finally find a place.
And we are beautiful, bro.
Yeah, we are next to Smart, man. Yes, यहाँ बैठते हैं. So guys, finally we got a place to sit.
सकते यार
उधर बीच में.
नहीं वहाँ शांति में मतलब पुणे
Okay. So we are shifting our place, guys.
मतलब इधर बैठने मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है पर इधर थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंडस्ट्रीड है ना.
We are just, all we want is just peace in our life.
Yes, exactly. That पेड़ के नीचे.
Sooner or later. अभी यहाँ बैठते हैं.
हाँ, चलो इधर आ जाओ. मतलब मजाक कर रहा हूँ पेड़ के नीचे यार.
बैठते हैं. Sooner or later जाए.
अब ये बताओ पत्ते लाए हो?
पत्ते सुट्टे लाए हैं. अरे यार भाई.
कॉलेज के दिन याद आ गया था ऐसे पत्ते खेले ना भाई.
Hello guys, so finally after wandering for 4-5 straight hours on the India Gate
and having a peaceful discussion.
and having a peaceful, very deep discussion, we are finally heading towards metro, which is, so we can say, which is approximately 2 kilometers right from our location. So we prefer to walk instead of taking any commercial vehicle. So guys, yes, my mind was totally frustrated, totally exhausted, and
But now I'm
tomorrow-
relaxed.
Yeah, now we are relaxed with our like very deep, very peaceful discussion, and we got a lot of things cleared in ourselves.
Lot of clarity we got basically.
Yeah,
All
yeah.
the misunderstandings that were there, that were clearly.
Yes, that were all cleared by
Yeah,
now.
That were all cleared by now.
Yes,
And we got a lot of clarity that is basically required in friendship.
yeah, because the very gist of friendship, the very core of friendship, the aura of friendship is to getting things clear among us.
Exactly.
No matter how distance we are living, how distance we are staying, how distance we are getting apart.
Exactly.
If we are managed to get the things clear, then the friendship, then the level of bonding will remain higher and higher. Yeah,
Remain the highest.
yeah. So gentlemen, yes, we are heading towards, guys, we are heading towards metro station, which is like 1 kilometer right from our location. So tomorrow, like at a very 7:30 in the morning, we do have a reporting.
And our hero will get recommended from there.
Yeah, touchwood, brother.
Our hero will like share you the vlog soon
Yes,
from the PSB center.
yes. We'll share this vlog after a couple of days, because I need I need a couple of hours to edit and to merge all these small clips. So guys, this is what it is, and
This is what it is, and we enjoyed a lot today, guys.
yes, we enjoyed a lot today. We also tried local cuisines, local food like bhel puri, and guys, yes. So guys, yes, we are. So
And
yeah.
we had discussion at India Gate today, guys. India Gate is very beautiful. If anyone is willing to come here, do come.
Yes.
Do visit here. It is a great place.
Tried
Heart
local
of Delhi.
food. Tried local food. Try local food. Try local like games and all. Start purchasing. Start like purchasing from the local vendors to make them flourish. So guys, I do have reporting next day on 7:30 in the very morning. So a little nervous, a little exhausted. All I need is just a long hours of sleep.
Exactly.
So guys, bye bye. You'll
And
get
see this face, guys. Hopefully in uniform soon.
yeah, guys. Hopefully.
Remember the name.
Remember the name, remember the channel. Within like a couple of days, you'll hear my name actually as one of the recommended candidates from FSB Noida. So guys, hope like
Inshallah.
मकसद नहीं बोलना है.
Okay, yaar, maqsad.
So guys, finally you will get my next video tomorrow early morning. As soon as I get ready and as soon as I leave my very home, you'll get the video of not all updates regarding my regarding my FSB and all. So bye bye, take care, subscribe the channel.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself,
So guys, see the smiling face finally. Finally got recommendation after 9 straight attempts.
Here also, I'm also.
So see the smiling face, see the pain behind the face.
Yes, like we did it.
So guys, meet other mates.
We had to do it, so we did it. We had no other choice. As we are
Guys,
doing
there
it,
was
we had to do it.
there was no plan B. So this is the entire guys. So like right now after completing all the documentation. So guys, after completing all the documentation we are heading towards metro station and then after हाँ भाई भेज दो डॉक्यूमेंट में करके एक बार ही भेज दो अरे मेरी वाली नहीं आई होगी
ओए आ जाओ यार.
So guys, after completing all the documentation and all from the CGSB, we are heading towards metro station and I need to board the train of the Rajiv Gate. This is my final destination and there I'll take a halt and then after we'll plan the next sort of action because the medical was to start from the Tuesday. So finally